You've heard of Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. But what about a planet made entirely of ice that rains diamonds? Or one that's darker than coal? Welcome to Terra Nerds, where today we're counting down 50 of the most fascinating planets discovered beyond our solar system. These are the real cosmic wonders that make sci-fi look boring. Number 1. Mercury, the sun's scorched messenger. Imagine standing on a barren, rocky world with skies as black as ink, even during the daytime. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun, just 36 million miles away, and its surface is a study in extremes. Temperatures can reach a scorching 430 degrees Celsius, 800 degrees Fahrenheit, during the day, but plunge to minus 180 degrees Celsius, minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, at night. Why? Because Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat. Its landscape is battered by millions of years of asteroid impacts, creating enormous craters and cliffs, some that stretch for hundreds of miles. The largest crater, Caloris Basin, is so wide it could swallow Western Europe. Despite being so close to the Sun, Mercury isn't the hottest planet. That title belongs to Venus. But Mercury orbits the fastest, completing a year in just 88 Earth days, earning its name as the messenger of the gods in Roman mythology. Number 2. Venus, Earth's toxic twin. Now picture a planet the same size as Earth, but wrapped in a deadly atmosphere 90 times thicker than ours. Welcome to Venus, the hottest planet in our solar system, with surface temperatures reaching 465 degrees Celsius, 870 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. Its thick clouds are made of sulfuric acid, and the atmosphere is filled with carbon dioxide, creating a runaway greenhouse effect. The pressure on the surface is like being 3,000 feet underwater on Earth. Any spacecraft sent to Venus survives only for a few hours before being crushed or melted. Despite this hostile environment, Venus once may have had oceans. Scientists believe climate catastrophe turned it into the inferno it is today, a warning sign for Earth's future. And here's a twist: Venus spins backward, and a day on Venus lasts longer than its year. That's right, it takes 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Number 3. Earth, the living jewel. This is the only known planet to support life. Earth's perfect balance of temperature, water, and atmosphere makes it a cosmic oasis. From lush rainforests to frozen tundras, Earth is a planet of contrasts. What makes Earth truly unique? Liquid water covers 71% of its surface. The atmosphere is a delicate mix of 78% nitrogen and 21% oxygen. Its magnetic field protects us from deadly solar radiation. The Moon, Earth's lone natural satellite, stabilizes our axial tilt, which in turn regulates our seasons. Even subtle details matter. Earth's tectonic plates constantly reshape the surface, forming mountains, triggering earthquakes, and recycling carbon. Earth isn't just a home, it's a living, breathing system. Number 4. Mars, the rusty frontier. With its iconic red hue, Mars has captivated humanity for centuries. Its rusty color comes from iron oxide, rust, in its soil. But Mars isn't just a dusty desert, it's a place of massive canyons, ancient riverbeds, and colossal volcanoes. Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in the solar system, is nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Valles Marineris, a canyon system, would stretch from New York to Los Angeles. Evidence of ancient river channels and lake beds suggests Mars once had water, and possibly life. Today, its thin atmosphere, made mostly of carbon dioxide, can't hold much heat. Temperatures often fall below minus 60 degrees Celsius. But in recent decades, Mars has become the center of human exploration dreams, with rovers like Perseverance and Curiosity uncovering secrets from its ancient past. Number 5. Jupiter, the king of the planets. If Earth is a pebble, Jupiter is a boulder. This massive planet is 11 times wider and 318 times more massive than Earth. Made mostly of hydrogen and helium, Jupiter has no solid surface. Its surface is just layers of thick gas. But what makes Jupiter truly mesmerizing? The Great Red Spot, a storm so huge it could swallow Earth whole. It's been raging for at least 350 years. Radiation belts. Jupiter's magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth's, producing intense radiation belts that would fry any unprotected spacecraft. Atmospheric bands, swirling zones of clouds in beige, orange, and white create a dynamic and alien skyline. Moons galore. Jupiter has at least 95 moons. One of them, Europa, may harbor an ocean beneath its icy shell, an ocean with more water than Earth and potential for alien life. In short, Jupiter is a cosmic guardian and a mystery in motion. Number 6. Saturn, the Lord of the Rings. Imagine a planet that could float in water because it's so low in density. That's Saturn. Known for its stunning ring system, Saturn is a gas giant with a golden glow and atmospheric bands similar to Jupiter's. Its rings are made of billions of particles of ice and rock, some as small as pebbles, others as big as houses. These rings stretch over 175,000 miles, but are only about 30 feet thick, almost razor thin on a planetary scale. Saturn's wonders don't end with rings. Titan, its largest moon, has rivers and lakes, not of water, but liquid methane and ethane. It even has rainstorms and clouds in a completely alien weather system. Enceladus, another moon, ejects icy geysers from its south pole. NASA found organic molecules in those plumes, hinting at possible life in its hidden ocean. Saturn is more than a pretty face, it's a world of hidden oceans and alien chemistry. Number 7. Uranus, the tilted giant. Uranus is strange, even by outer space standards. It rolls around the sun on its side, tilted at 98 degrees. This unique orientation causes extreme seasons. Each pole gets 42 years of sunlight, followed by 42 years of darkness. Its pale blue color comes from methane gas in the atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue. But don't be fooled by its calm appearance. Winds on Uranus can reach 560 miles per hour. Its atmosphere might contain diamond rain formed under intense pressure. Beneath the clouds lies a slushy mantle of water, ammonia, and methane, possibly covering a rocky core. And Uranus has 13 faint rings and 27 moons, many named after Shakespearean characters like Miranda, Ariel, and Titania. Number 8. Neptune, the windiest planet. Neptune is a beautiful blue world at the edge of our solar system. It's the coldest planet, with temperatures dipping to -214 degrees Celsius, -353 degrees Fahrenheit. Yet it's also the windiest, with storms reaching over 1,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound. Like Uranus, Neptune's atmosphere is rich in methane, giving it a deep azure hue. But its dynamics are more violent. The Great Dark Spot, similar to Jupiter's red spot. This storm was the size of Earth but mysteriously disappeared and reappeared over the years. Triton, Neptune's largest moon, orbits in the opposite direction of Neptune's rotation, a sign it may be a captured object from the Kuiper belt. Triton also has geysers of liquid nitrogen. Neptune is the last official planet in our solar system, and a gateway to the icy wilderness beyond. Number 9. Pluto, the underdog with a heart. Pluto may have been demoted from planet status in 2006, but it still captures hearts, literally. NASA's New Horizons mission revealed a giant heart-shaped glacier on its surface. Here's what makes Pluto fascinating: its surface is made of frozen nitrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide. Temperatures can drop to -240 degrees Celsius, -400 degrees Fahrenheit. Mountains made of water ice tower 11,000 feet high, and it has possible cryovolcanoes, ice volcanoes. Pluto has a thin atmosphere that expands and collapses as it orbits the Sun. Its largest moon, Charon, is so big relative to Pluto that they actually orbit a point outside of Pluto, a binary system. Pluto is a frozen rebel with more complexity than scientists ever imagined. Number 10. Eris, the Pluto Challenger discovered in 2005. Eris is slightly smaller than Pluto but more massive. Its discovery was one reason Pluto was reclassified. It's 96 times farther from the Sun than Earth at its farthest point. A year on Eris lasts 557 Earth years. Its surface is coated with frozen methane and might even have a thin atmosphere when it's closer to the Sun. It has one known moon, Dysnomia, orbiting at a great distance. Eris reminds us how much of our solar system is still mysterious and unexplored. Number 11. Haumea, the spinning egg. Haumea is one of the strangest dwarf planets. It spins so fast, once every 4 hours, that it's stretched into an oval shape. It has a surface covered in crystalline ice and may contain water beneath. Haumea has 2 moons and a ring system, the only dwarf planet known to have one. Located in the Kuiper belt, Haumea shows that even small bodies can defy expectations. Number 12. Makemake, the distant red world. Makemake is a reddish dwarf planet with a methane-covered surface and extremely low temperatures. Its thin atmosphere may freeze and fall to the ground as frost. Like Haumea, it resides in the Kuiper belt and takes 305 years to orbit the Sun. Makemake may be small, but it's a time capsule of the early solar system. Number 13. Ceres, the watery world in the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt and the only dwarf planet within the inner solar system. It may have briny underground water reservoirs. The bright spots in the Akata crater are salt deposits left by cryovolcanic activity. Ceres could be geologically active, and scientists believe it may support microbial life in its salty underground waters. Ceres is like a mini ocean world hiding in plain sight. Number 14. Kepler 186f, Earth's cousin. Kepler 186f is one of the first Earth-sized planets found in the habitable zone, the Goldilocks zone, where liquid water might exist. It's about 500 light-years away in the constellation Cygnus. It receives about one-third the sunlight Earth gets. A year here lasts 130 Earth days. Although scientists don't yet know what the atmosphere is like, Kepler 186f is a top candidate in the search for alien life. Number 15. Kepler 22b, a super-Earth in the sweet spot. This planet orbits a star similar to our Sun, located 600 light-years away. It's about 2.4 times the size of Earth, possibly a water world with no land. It sits comfortably in the habitable zone. If it has a thick atmosphere, temperatures could be perfect for life. Think of it as a supersized version of Earth, floating on an endless ocean. Number 16. WASP-12b, a planet being eaten alive. WASP-12b is a hot Jupiter, a gas giant orbiting extremely close to its star. 1 year lasts just 1.1 Earth days. The heat, over 2,500 degrees Celsius or 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, is so intense that its atmosphere is being pulled away by its star. The planet is slowly being devoured, and may only have 10 million years left. This is a cosmic horror show, where the planet is literally dying before our eyes. Number 17. HD 189733b, the raining glass planet. This exoplanet looks beautiful from afar with its deep blue color, but don't be fooled. Winds blow at 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour. It rains molten glass sideways due to these winds. The deep blue is not from water, it's due to silicate particles in the atmosphere scattering blue light. If Dante wrote about space, this would be one of his circles of hell. Number 18. Gliese 581 grams, the ghost planet. This planet was once considered one of the best candidates for habitability, but its existence is still debated. If real, it orbits a red dwarf star, and is Earth-sized. It could have rocky terrain and a stable climate on one side if tidally locked. Though controversial, Gliese 581 grams sparked new hope in the search for a second Earth. Number 19. 55 Cancri e, the diamond planet. This exoplanet is twice the size of Earth and orbits so close to its star that a year lasts only 18 hours. Surface temperatures reach 2,400 degrees Celsius, 4,352 degrees Fahrenheit. It may have a carbon-rich composition, meaning a third of its mass might be pure diamond. Imagine an entire planet glittering like a gem. Number 20. TRES-2b, the darkest planet ever found. This gas giant reflects less than 1% of the light that hits it, darker than coal or black acrylic paint. It's located 750 light-years away. Scientists believe the atmosphere contains vaporized sodium, potassium, or gaseous titanium oxide that absorbs light. It's a planet so dark it almost disappears against the backdrop of space. Number 21. GJ 1214b, the steamy water world. This super-Earth is likely covered in water, but not like Earth's oceans. The water here could exist as hot ice or superfluid water, due to extreme pressures. Its thick, steamy atmosphere may hide oceans beneath. This is a world where the laws of physics are twisted by pressure, turning water into exotic forms. Number 22. Kepler 16b, a real-life Tatooine. Kepler 16b orbits two stars, just like the fictional planet Tatooine in Star Wars. The planet is likely a gas giant, not habitable. It's one of the first confirmed examples of a circumbinary planet. Every sunrise here would have two suns rising in the sky, a double dawn. Number 23. Proxima Centauri b, our nearest neighbor orbiting the closest star to the Sun, Proxima Centauri. This planet has sparked intense interest, just 4.24 light-years away. Sits in the habitable zone. May be rocky and could support liquid water. Proxima b is a prime target for future interstellar missions. If life exists nearby, this could be the place to find it. Number 24. PSRB 1257 plus 12a, B and C, the zombie planets. These are the first confirmed exoplanets, discovered in 1992, but they orbit something truly wild, a pulsar. Pulsars are dead stars' collapsed cores of massive supernovae, spinning and emitting radiation beams. These planets orbit one such pulsar 2,300 light-years away. Conditions? Lethal radiation, no sunlight, intense gravity, totally uninhabitable. These are zombie planets orbiting the corpse of a star, in the most hostile environment imaginable. Number 25. HD 106906b, the planet that shouldn't exist. This giant exoplanet is 11 times Jupiter's mass and orbits its star 738 astronomical units away. 1 astronomical unit equals distance from Earth to Sun. For comparison, Pluto is only 39 astronomical units from our Sun. It's so far out, scientists don't understand how it formed or stays in orbit. It might even be a rogue planet captured by the system. This mysterious world breaks planetary formation rules. Number 26. Kelt 9b, the hottest planet ever found. Temperatures on Kelt 9b reach a blistering 4,300 degrees Celsius, 7,800 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than many stars. It orbits a blue star every 1.5 days. Its atmosphere contains evaporated heavy metals like iron and titanium. Molecules can't survive, it's so hot, chemistry breaks down. This is a true hell world, glowing like a forge in the void. Number 27. HAT P7b, a planet with shifting weather. This gas giant has winds faster than hurricanes, and clouds made of rubies and sapphires. It's 1,000 light-years away in Cygnus. Its atmosphere may form aluminum oxide clouds, the same material as precious gems. Imagine weather that rains jewels across the skies. Number 28. Corot 7b, a lava planet. This rocky planet orbits extremely close to its star, just 1.6 million miles away. Earth is 93 million miles. Surface temperatures exceed 2,000 degrees Celsius, 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Molten rock oceans and constant volcanic activity dominate the landscape. One side of the planet is a scorched lava sea, while the other may be cold and rocky, a planet of fire and stone. Number 29. Gliese 436b, the burning ice planet. This Neptune-sized world has a surface of burning ice. It's made largely of ice under intense gravity. Temperatures are over 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, yet ice doesn't melt. Why? Because the gravity is so strong, it keeps the ice solid despite the heat. This defies what we know about thermodynamics. Number 30. WASP 76b, the iron rain world. On WASP 76b, iron vaporizes in the dayside heat, then condenses into iron rain on the night side. Temperatures on the day side exceed 2,400 degrees Celsius, 4,350 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds carry vaporized metals to the dark side where they cool and fall. This is a planet where it rains molten metal, a deadly storm of liquid iron. Number 31. HD 209458b, Osiris, the escaping atmosphere. This exoplanet is slowly evaporating into space. It's being stripped by stellar radiation, forming a comet-like tail. Detected using Hubble Space Telescope. It was the first planet found with a definitive atmosphere, revealing hydrogen, oxygen, and carbon. A true ghost world, vanishing a little more each day. Number 32. TWA 1231b, a cool Neptune discovered in 2021. TWA 1231b is a temperate Neptune-like exoplanet orbiting a red dwarf. Surface temperatures, 134 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius. Potential for water clouds and even rain. Its atmosphere is being studied for signs of water vapor or life-supporting gases. This is a milder alien world, offering a sharp contrast to fiery gas giants. Number 33. HIP 65426b, imaged by the James Webb Space Telescope. This planet made headlines as one of the first directly imaged by JWST. It's 15 times the mass of Jupiter. Located 385 light-years away. It's very young, only 15 million years old. Earth is 4.5 billion. Seeing it directly opens new chapters in planet science, as we begin to observe their atmospheres and evolution in real time. Number 34. Ogle 2016b LG 1195 pounds, an Earth mass planet 13,000 light-years away. This planet is one of the most distant Earth mass planets ever discovered, thanks to gravitational microlensing. It may be Earth-sized and orbiting in a cold zone. Nicknamed Iceball Planet, due to likely freezing temperatures. It shows that Earth-like planets may be scattered across the galaxy, even where starlight is barely present. Number 35. Kepler-22b, a potential water world. Kepler-22b was one of the first Earth-like planets found in a habitable zone. It's about 2.4 times Earth's radius and orbits a Sun-like star. Temperatures may allow liquid water on the surface. Scientists believe it could be an entire planet covered by ocean, no land at all. Imagine an endless global ocean, deep, dark, and teeming with potential alien marine life. Number 36. Kepler-186f, Earth's distant cousin, located 500 light-years away. Kepler-186f is the first Earth-sized planet in the habitable zone of another star. It receives less sunlight than Earth, like being in perpetual dusk. If it has an atmosphere, it could support liquid water. Surface may be covered in ice, rocky terrain, or shallow seas. It's one of our best shots at finding life-sustaining planets. Number 37. TRAPPIST-1 system, 7 Earth-sized worlds. This red dwarf star system contains 7 rocky planets, 3 of which are in the habitable zone. They're all tightly packed, orbiting close to their star. Planets may be tidally locked, one side always day, the other always night. Potential for liquid water and even cloud systems on some of them. This system is like a mini solar system, offering multiple chances for discovering alien biospheres. Number 38. Kepler-10b, a planet of pure rock and fire. This is one of the most densely packed rocky planets known. 1.4 times Earth's size, but with more than 4 times the mass. Orbits extremely close to its star. 1 year is just less than 1 Earth day. Temperatures, over 1,300 degrees Celsius, 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. Its surface is likely molten lava and superheated metals, a metallic inferno spinning near its star. Number 39. WASP-12b, a planet being devoured. WASP-12b is a gas giant so close to its star that it's being ripped apart. It's stretched into an egg shape by gravity. The star is absorbing its outer layers, creating a stream of gas. The planet could be completely destroyed in a few million years. It's a dying world, losing itself to its star's hunger, a cosmic tragedy in real time. Number 40. HD 189733b, the glass rain planet. This exoplanet looks beautiful, deep blue like Earth, but it's horrifying up close. Winds reach 5,400 miles per hour, 8,700 kilometers per hour. The blue color comes from silicate particles in the atmosphere. It rains molten glass sideways at hurricane speeds. It's not Earth, it's a glass storm hellscape. Number 41. 55 Concrete E, a carbon-rich, possibly diamond planet. This super-Earth is twice Earth's radius and orbits its star every 18 hours. Its core might be made of pure carbon, compressed into diamond by pressure. Surface temperatures exceed 2,000 degrees Celsius, 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit. Possibility of lava oceans and carbon-based crusts. If confirmed, it's literally a planet worth quadrillions in diamonds but impossible to reach. Number 42. LHS 475b, a recent breakthrough by James Webb discovered in 2023, this Earth-sized exoplanet is being closely studied by the James Webb Space Telescope. It's nearly the same size as Earth. Still under study, but scientists are testing whether it has an atmosphere. It may help us understand which small planets can hold life and which cannot. Number 43. GJ 1214b, the steam world. This planet may be an entire world of hot steam and vapor. A mini Neptune about 2.7 times Earth's size. Likely has a deep atmosphere of water vapor or hydrogen. Its thick clouds may hide liquid oceans beneath, a potential model of early Earth conditions. Number 44. HD 80606b, the eccentric orbit monster. This gas giant has one of the most extreme orbits ever seen. It orbits in an elongated loop, taking it from freezing cold to scorching heat. Temperatures can swing by 1000 degrees Celsius in hours. A day on this planet is a roller coaster of fire and ice. Imagine living where seasons last hours and weather changes by thousands of degrees instantly. Number 45. Kepler 438b, a candidate for habitability. Kepler 438b is just slightly larger than Earth, with similar sunlight and orbit in the habitable zone. Located 470 light-years away. Potential for water, atmosphere, and rocky terrain. However, it orbits a volatile red dwarf, which might bathe it in deadly radiation. It's a maybe planet, promising, but with a dark side. Number 46. PSRB 1620-26b, the ancient planet nicknamed the Methuselah planet. This world is over 12.7 billion years old, almost 3 times older than Earth. It orbits a binary system, a white dwarf and a pulsar, a rapidly spinning neutron star. Located in a globular cluster called M4. Likely a gas giant, it formed when the universe was just a baby. It's so ancient that it predates most stars, making it a true time traveler of the cosmos. Number 47. Ogle 2016b LG 1928b, a planet without a star. This is one of the most mysterious types of planets, a rogue planet. It floats freely in space, not orbiting any star. Discovered using gravitational microlensing. Size, likely similar to Earth or Mars. Imagine a planet drifting alone through the dark vacuum, no sun, no warmth, only eternal night. A cosmic orphan. Number 48. HD 98800b, in a 4-star system. This planet orbits a system that includes 4 suns. Located in the Taurus constellation. The planet has to navigate a complex gravitational dance between multiple stars. The light in the sky would never fade, just change in color and brightness. It's like living on a world with multiple sunsets and glowing skies, a real-life version of sci-fi movie scenes. These 50 planets show us how incredibly diverse and wild the universe truly is. From glass storms to diamond cores, from eternal night to boiling skies, these worlds challenge our understanding of what's possible. They're not just numbers on a telescope, they are real places, and one day, we may visit, explore, or even live on them. Which one amazed you the most? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing space discoveries.